Your harvest season is simply too valuable to accept yesterday's benchmark. It's about setting new standards and maximizing potential today.
To do so, you need the latest in grain harvesting performance.
Look no further than the impressively new 2016 S-Series Combine from John Deere. We've upgraded productivity in just about every way imaginable so you can harvest your full potential. Upgrades that enable greater shoe capacity,
Enhanced header lineup,
and smarter solutions both in the cab and out.
When you consider the total top-to-bottom advancements we've made to the S-Series, well, there just isn't another option worth considering.
It starts with the 612 FC fold-in corn head. Available in Stalkmaster or non-Stalkmaster units, the 612 FC folding capability improves harvest readiness, as in ready to raise your acres harvested by 30 acres per day, while reducing your overall operation costs, from fuel right down to labor. And ready to fold at a moment's notice, which improves harvest performance by 6 acres per day. What's more, you can fold and go without ever leaving the cab, so you can move from field to field more quickly and easily. Even better, the 612 FC is built for large fields and rough conditions. High-yielding corn? You bet. Robust hybrids? Even better. Tough green stalks? No problem. That's because the 612 FC is equipped with all the same high-performance features found on our other 600C series that are known in the market for being productive and dependable. For bean and wheat growers, we haven't forgotten about you. There's significant improvements to our HydraFlex draper platforms as well. In fact, make that 3 new HydraFlex drapers. Introducing the new advanced line of John Deere HydraFlex drapers, the 630, 635, and 640 FD headers. Following the launch of last season's widely popular 645 design,
our entire family of HydraFlex drapers now offers some of the most productive features you'll find in the business. A wider feed section with faster center belt drive speed to handle higher volumes of crop. Shorter end dividers to reduce grain loss and crop knockdown. Stronger reel fingers to better handle harsh crop conditions, such as down crop. And improved wear life on the reel finger support tube bearings to keep your draper out of the shop and keep you in the field. But new header options are only the beginning. Even greater production lies before you. Or should we say, beneath you. That's where you'll find the new DynaFlow Plus cleaning shoe in the S-Series Combine. Lighter in weight and longer in sieve, the DynaFlow Plus cleaning shoe reduces tailings volume by as much as 28% to raise overall speed and productivity. Plus, in shoe-limited conditions, combine capacity jumps to 10% in corn and 13% in wheat and canola. Time is money, and the additional capacity of 1.5 acres per hour gives you more of it to tackle your fall tillage or to harvest more acres. Add all that up and what you get is pure profit out of your field and into your ledger. If that's not enough, meet our next high-performance innovation, Active Terrain Adjustment. Now, if you have rolling terrain or contours on your land, you might want to pay close attention. With Active Terrain Adjustment, your cleaning shoe settings automatically adjust to the landscape changes, all without pressing a single button. How? Glad you asked. As you see on inclines, Active Terrain Adjustment opens both the chaffer and sieve while reducing fan speed to keep grain from going out the rear. And on declines, the chaffer and sieve close while fan speed increases to keep grain from pushing toward the front of the machine. So whether you're going uphill or downhill, the combine will maintain ground speed and, just as crucial, minimize grain loss on varying degrees of slope. Here's the kicker. It increases total combine capacity on uphill slopes to drastically reduce grain loss while also reducing your tailings. This allows you to take your harvest to all new heights, because when traveling downhill, the greater the slope, the greater the reduction in foreign material. Since it automatically adjusts, it's less energy you spend to get your combine working at peak performance. So you can have peace of mind knowing your combine isn't just performing as you expect, it's actually performing better. And if you enjoy smooth performance, get a good look at our new LSW drive and steer tires. They offer a similar benefit solution as a track machine. That means superior traction and flotation when harvesting in soft, wet soil conditions. Not to mention, it greatly reduces compaction and stubble damage to the tire. Equally important, they allow you to maintain transport speed without tire hop. Now, before you take your combine back to the machine shed, take a quick minute to shine it up with the convenient new onboard air compressor, so your combine is in mint condition for the next job. After all, uptime is also about upkeep, and the onboard air compressor comes in handy for that. Of course, tied into these many great new S-Series features are our John Deere farm site solutions and services, linking your combine, your dealer, your advisors, and our suite of technology together to connect you more easily and help you reach the full potential of your harvest. Technology like JD Link Connect, offering features that can take your uptime up a notch. Such as wireless data transfer that lets you send important files quickly, easily, and securely straight to your My John Deere Operations Center. Then there's remote display access, which allows the farm manager or dealer to remotely view settings on the GreenStar 32630 display. This ensures that combine settings are correct for the given field conditions. Trust us, this is very helpful when you have less experienced operators. And as grain harvesting continues to evolve, so do the tools you use to allow you to get more out of each season. Tools like Harvest Mobile, our newest way of placing efficiency in the palm of your hands. And operating it is simple. Using an iPad with Harvest Mobile from the cab of your Final Tier 4 S-Series combine, you can now dedicate your GreenStar display to focus on showing key machine information, while the tablet provides more in-depth info on field performance by visualizing robust mapping layers like ground speed, wet and dry yield, and average moisture. Harvest Mobile also delivers machine settings at a glance that include rotor speed, fan speed, threshing clearance, chaffer opening, and sieve opening. Oh, there's one other thing Harvest Mobile allows you to do direct from your tablet. It lets you view and adjust our industry-exclusive ICA feature. Haven't heard of it? Then you're missing out. ICA, or Interactive Combine Adjustment, straightens out the learning curve of optimizing a combine for you, your labor, or the up-and-coming farmer in your family who looks to carry your legacy into the next generation. ICA simplifies machine controls, helping the operator go from novice to know-it-all in far less time and assisting you to make your overall operation more successful. But there's even more profit-generating solutions in store. Along with our complement of machine sync features, including combine harvest automation and harvest logistics, come two all-new functionalities that show the true value of machine-to-machine communication. Announcing Coverage Map and Guidance Line Sharing. Coverage Map sharing, when paired with overlap control, allows you to see where another machine has already been. So if you have multiple John Deere combines harvesting in the field, you now get a more accurate calculation of your yield and acreage totals. That means visibility to passes, header width, acres covered, and best of all, it's information you can count on. Want more productivity? Check out Guidance Line Sharing. With this new feature, spend less time punching in your guidance line coordinates to get multiple combines lined on your AB line. Bottom line, thanks to Coverage Map and Guidance Line Sharing, you'll enjoy more accurate data than ever before. And with these new enhancements, Machine Sync is sure to increase the performance of your overall harvest operation. In total, with the vast range of new features and new solutions, the S-Series Combine is sure to make your business more efficient, more productive, more profitable. That's John Deere Harvesting. And in 2016, be on the lookout for our next groundbreaking feature, Active Yield, which will offer a high level of yield accuracy with automated calibration. Now that's something every producer can get excited about. Just visit your local dealer today to learn about the new, exciting, efficient solutions that make the S-Series Combine, simply put, the only combine worth owning. Nothing runs like a Deere.